Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to be filming the month of May in my Erin Condren. And I will be using this kit from my shop, Nedi Designs. It's called Miranda. I'll show you, there's 4 pages. These are custom to any month you like. And I printed mine for May. I'm also going to be using these monthly overlays. These are the sparkles, so that goes over this section. I'm going to be using some of this washi, simply gilded. Let me see. These are all simply gilded, and then these here are the Pink Room Co. And finally, I will be using the months January through June, style B from Nedi Designs, and of course I'll be using the May. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I have mentioned that for the Erin Condren, since they are functional, so the things that I don't have a lot of stuff planned for the month yet, and a lot of things are shop related. So I decided to go ahead and film this video the same way I filmed the memories in the weekly memories in my recollections, which is I come in and do the intro like this, and then I'm going to speed you through the whole planning. I'll go ahead and put here the stickers that I use. No, because actually I don't know how to do it. No, I'm not gonna put nothing. I'm gonna speed up the whole process, and then at the end I'll go ahead and zoom you out and show you the finished product. So a lot shorter videos, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay guys, I am all done with my May monthly in the Erin Condren. I love the pop of gold foiled everywhere. As you can see, there's a lot of boxes without any plans, and that's usually how it looks at the beginning of the month. Because not a lot of stuff is planned. So that's why I like to speed up the whole process, because then it's just the same thing every month. But I wanted to show you the previous month, the month of April. There it is. And I'll go ahead and link it up here if you want to go ahead and take a look at that video. But until the next time, you have a great day. Goodbye.